18-unit words collecting, ya'ni o'sha kolleksiya qilish degan mavzuni o'tamiz. Birinchisi reason degan sabab degani. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. Cause speech for action. Ikkinchisi collect yig'moq, gathers together for a hobby. Practice degani eng ko'p sinalgan, tarqalganga o'xshagan narsa. Follow engage degan bo'ladi. Valuable qiymatli, worth a lot of money, determine aniqlamoq, decide find out, condition holat, state form shape sinonim bo'ladi. Matnga o'tamiz. Would you be worried if your classmate told you that he was philatelist? Agar sinfdoshingiz sizga u philatelist ekanligini aytsa, qayg'urasizmi? Would you call a doctor or call the police? Siz doktor yoki militsiyaga telefon qilarmidingiz? Actually, there is no reason to be concerned. Aslida bu yerda qayg'urishga hojat yo'q. A philatelist is just a person who collects stamps. Philatelist bu shunchaki markalaydigan odam. Stamp collecting has been around for well over 150 years. Xo'p, markalarni yig'ish 150 yildan ortiq vaqt davomida rivojlanib kelmoqda. People began collecting stamps soon after FF's postage stamps were introduced in London in 1840. Xo'p, markalarni yig'ish 1840-yilda Londonda ishlab chiqarilgan yopishqoq markalardan keyin boshlangan. Today, according to Boy's Life magazine, stamp collecting is the most practiced hobby in the world. Bugunda Boy's Life jurnaliga ko'ra, markalarni yig'ish dunyodagi eng tarqalgan hobbilardan biri hisoblanadi. Some people collect stamps just for fun. Ba'zi odamlar markalarni shunchaki erming uchun, ya'ni xursandchilik uchun yig'ishadi. These people may just want to collect stamps with animals or famous people on them. Bunday odamlar shunchaki markalarni ularni yuzda mashhur odamlarga hayvonlar bo'lsa yig'ishadi. Or maybe they want to collect all the stamps issued by one particular country. Yokida ma'lum bir davlat tomonidan chiqarilgan markalarni yig'ishadi. Other people collect stamps that they think will be valuable down the road. Boshqa odamlar o'ylaydiki, markalarni yig'ish down the road degani kelajakda degani, kelajakda qiymatli bo'lib qolishi mumkin deb. Such collectors ask three questions to determine if a stamp is worth collecting and what its value might be. Bunday yig'uvchilar, ya'ni kolleksionerlar 3 ta savol so'rashadi. Markani holatini aniqlash uchun, qiymatli yoki qiymatsizligini bilish uchun. Birinchisi, first, how many of particular stamps were made? Birinchisi, nechta markalar ishlab chiqarilgan. Next, how popular is the stamp? Keyingisi bo'lsa, bu marka qanchalik mashhur? Uchinchisi, finally, what's the condition of the stamp? O'sha markaning holati qanaqa? If a stamp has love print around a popular picture or the design and it's in excellent condition, the stamp may be worth a lot of money. Agar bu marka juda kam sonda chiqqan bo'lsa, ya'ni kam chiqqan bo'lsa, dizayni yoki rasmi mashhur bo'lsa va bu juda ham zo'r holatda bo'lsa, anchagina pulga ketishi mumkin. In 1980, 1 cent British Guinness stamp issued in 1856 went to for 935,000. 1980-yilda 1 sentlik Britaniya Guinness'i 1856-yilda chiqarilgan va $935,000 baholangan, ya'ni ketgan. Savollarga o'tiramiz. What does philatelist enjoy? O'sha philatelist ya'ni nima qiladi, nimadan huzur oladi? Collecting stamps, marka yig'adi, determining the value of the things, narsalarning qiymatini aniqlaydi, writing letters, xat yozadi, introducing new stamps, yangi markalarni tanishtiradi. To'g'ri javob A bo'ladi, ya'ni marka yig'uvchi odam. According to the reading, which of the following is true? Matnga ko'ra berilganning qaysi biri to'g'ri? People in the 1800s collecting stamps. Odamlar o'sha 1800-yillarda marka yig'ishib turadi. The first stamps were made in America. Birinchi markalar Amerikada qilingan. Bu umuman ma'lumot kelmadi. Boy's Life is a magazine for philatelists. Hop, Boy's Life jurnali philatelistlar uchun. Most people collect stamps with people on them. Ko'plab odamlar ularni rasmida odamlar borligi uchun yig'ishadi. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi, chunki tepada 3 ta ma'lumot haqida bizga ma'lumot berilmadi. What determines stamps value? Xo'p, o'sha markani qiymati nima aniqlab beradi? Quantity, ya'ni miqdori, mashhurligi va holati. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi, ularning barchasi, all of the above. What does it mean if a stamp has low print run? Agar o'sha marka juda kam sonda chiqqan bo'lsa, bu nimani anglatadi? It was made by Boys Life magazine. Bu Boys Life jurnali tomonidan qilingan, ya'ni ishlab chiqarilgan. It has a picture of animal on it. Unda hayvonda rasm borligini bildiradi. It's an excellent condition. Juda ham a'lo holatdaligini bildiradi va not many were made. Juda ko'p ishlab chiqarilmagan yoki kam degan ma'no bildiradi. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi. Why was the 1856 British Guiana stamp worth so much? Nimaga 1856-yillik Britaniya Guianasi shuncha ko'p pulga arzigan? It was old and rare. U eski va kamyob edi. People liked it. Odamlar uni yoqtirishgan. It was in good condition. U juda yaxshi holatda edi. D variant all of the above. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi. Ya'ni uchalasi ham E'da holatdan bor, B'dagi ham, C'dagi ham. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi o'shaning uchun. Xo'p, keyingisi idiomalar. Well over. Uzoq vaqt davomida, down the road, kelajakda, go for, ma'lum bir narsa sotilmoq. I plan on becoming dentist. Hop, men hozircha reja qilyapman tish doktori bo'lishni. Qachon? Kelajakda, down the road bo'ladi. Today the artist paintings hundreds of dollars. Bugungi kunda o'sha rassomning asarlari yuzlab dollarga nima keladi? Ketadi. Go for hundreds of dollars. His grandfather is 90 years old. Well over, ya'ni oshgan. Uni opoqisi 90 yoshdan oshgan. Testga o'tamiz. Birinchisi, he is a boy in our school, everyone likes him. U bizni maktabimizda qanaqadir bola, hamma uni yoqtiradi. To'g'ri javob popular bo'ladi, ya'ni o'sha dongga ketgan, tanilgan bola. This works well. It can stick anything together. Bu nimadir ham juda yaxshi ishlaydi. U xohlagan joyga, xohlagan narsasini yopishtirishi mumkin birgalikda. Stamp, magazine, adhesive postage. To'g'ri javob C bo'ladi, yopishqoq degani. Are you about this class? No, I think I did well on the midterm exams. Sen bu sinf to'g'risida nimadir qilyapsanmi dedi. Yo'q deyapti. Men uni o'sha midtermda qilib bo'lganman, imtihonlarda yaxshi o'tib bo'lganman deyapti. Ya'ni consonant bo'ladi. O'z-o'zidan qayoqyapsan deb so'ragan, bu aytganki yo'q degan. Government the tax rate for the country. Hukumat davlat uchun soliq miqdorini nima qildi? Determines, analashtirdi, introduces, tanishtirdi, print, chop etdi, practices, ergashdi. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi, ya'ni yangi soliq miqdorini tanishtirdi davlat uchun. The government new money each year. Hukumat har yili yangi pulni nima qiladi? Issues, determines, collects, practices. To'g'ri javob issues bo'ladi, ya'ni ishlab chiqaradi. Like that restaurant, it has excellent food from Greece. U bunday turdagi restoranni yoqtiradi. Endi qanaqa turdagi bo'lishi mumkin? Keyin aytayaptiki, unda Gretsiyadan yaxshi ovqatlar pishiriladi deyapti. Gretsiyaning ovqatlari. Condition, holat, valuable, qiymatli, species. O'sha ziravorli, ethnic nima desa bo'ladi? Irqqa oid narsa. To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi. Etnik restoran, ya'ni chet elniki. Xuddi Italiya restoraniga o'xshagan narsa bitta. I have not to worry. I have done everything I should. Xo'p, menga qayg'urishga nimadir yo'q. Men hamma narsa qilishim kerak bo'lgan narsani qildim. Activity, reason, test, information. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. Reason, sabab. O'sha qayg'urishga sabab yo'q deyapti. Men hamma narsani qilib bo'ldim. The of that artwork is very high. Bu rasmning nimasidir juda yuqori. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. Value of that artwork is very high. You must go to school for many years before you can medicine. Sen o'sha meditsina nimadir qila olishingdan oldin ko'plab yillar davomida maktabga borasan. Practicing, practitioner, practice. To'g'ri javob practice o'zi bo'ladi, chunki keyingi modal fe'li kelyapti. Bundan keyin fe'lni o'zini olamiz. My sister has very large of books. Mening singlimni juda katta kitoblar nimasidir bor. Collect, collection, collector. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi, ya'ni katta kitoblar kolleksiyasi bor.